Hey loves, I'm gonna hop on here and do a little tutorial on how to put on these M5 lashes, and these are the volume lashes. These are magnetic lashes, so I'm gonna put on the magnetic eyeliner, and then I'm going to, I just took these out of the box, so this is what it comes in. Using this came out of there. So I'm going to do a little tutorial on that. So let me get this eyeliner in place, and let me actually measure my eye to see if I need to cut any of these lashes to fit my eye. Well, I just pulled off the magnetic bar that was holding it. Sweet. Let's see. Normally I have to trim them a little bit. Let me see, let me just go ahead and put this on first. It's kind of harder to tell with these. Okay, so here's how it comes out. And so I got that lined. Now let's see. Sure. And it just sticks right there to the eyeliner, which is awesome. So there's the lashes. These are the volume ones. Oh, I love them. And it looks like I really didn't have to trim any. Just gonna try to adjust that down. Beautiful. Just see if it's sitting on there right. Okay. Look at the difference in that. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye now. Get some of that excess off of there. Okay. Okay, got painted on there. And it's got this little tool on here. Get the lashes off there. Oh, pulling that strip off. Okay. So, this on there. This snaps right on there. That one's a little too close to my eye there. I have to move it over. I always have one eye that's trickier. Hold on. And this eye is apparently the eye that is gonna give me issues. Doesn't look as bad, but it feels really awkward. I can get it to stay. May have to put some more. So this one doesn't feel like it's on my eye, like it may be too long. So I'm gonna put some more gel back on. Try it again. So this time we're gonna place the corner first. There we go. It still is sticking weird though, my eye. But it's in the correct location this time at least. It's too far right there. Okay, maybe that feels better. That one was too far in my eyelid. Okay, so there we go. And there is the lash tutorial. Volumized lashes ready to go out. Love them. All right, and I actually ordered these from boutique here in town, so if you want to get any of those, then just holler at me and I can relay you the information to the girls who sell them here in town. So very stylish. It came with a set of 3, so pretty good deals. All right, so I love them. They're awesome, reusable, so can't beat that. All right, thanks for watching, y'all. Love you.